Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you are all best. Welcome to my channel. My topic discuss about a difference between lever, the distance balance, and electronic balance. LEVER lever. So I am completely discuss you about it. But first, if you are new, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and start my topic discuss about it. A lever balance consists of a system of levers. One lever is lifted, placing the object in one plane and standard masses on the other plane. The printer of the lever system moves. The printer is bound to zero by varying standard masses. And electronic balance. Electronic balance come in various ranges: milligram range, gram range, and kilogram range. Before measuring the mass of a body, it is switched on and its reading is set to 0. Next, place to object to the weight. The reading on the balance gives you the mass of body placed on it. The most accurate balance, the mass of 1 rupee coin, is measured using different balances as given below: beam balance, physical balance, and electronic balance. Beam balance, let the distance balance measured coin mass is equal to 3.2 gram, and a sensitive beam balance may be able to detect a change as small as of 0.1 g or 100 mg. Physical balance, let the balance measures coin mass is equal to 3.24 gram, and least count of physical balance may be as small as 0.01 gram or 10 mg. Therefore, its measurement would be more precise than a sensitive beam balance. And electronic balance, let the balance measure coin mass is 3.247 gram. Least count of an electronic balance is 0.01 gram or 1 precise can be sensitive physical balance. Thus, electronic balance is the most sensitive balance in the above balances. And stopwatch. A stopwatch is used to measure the time interval of an event. There are two types of stopwatch. You also know mechanical and digital. It is two types: mechanical and digital. And a mechanical stopwatch can measure a time interval up to minimum 0.1 second and 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 point. It is measured the mechanical stopwatch. And digital stopwatch, commonly used in laboratories, can measure the time interval small as 1 to 100 seconds, means 0.01 second. It is above. And how to use the stopwatch? A mechanical stopwatch has a knob. Everyone know a mechanical stopwatch has a knob that is used to wind the spring and that powers the watch. It can also be used as a start, stop, and reset button. The watch starts when the knob is pressed once, and when pressed second time, it stops the watch, while the third press brings the needle back to zero position. And the digital stopwatch starts to indicate the time left as the stop button is pressed. As soon as stop button is pressed again, it stops and implicates the time interval recorded by it between start and stop of an event. A reset button restores its initial zero setting. So my dear friends, how is my video topic? I hope you like. If you like it, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So now you give me permission. I am going to my new topic. Take care and Allah Hafiz.